Paano ka mag-iipon kung ikaw ang breadwinner? This is part 5 of our Soft Saving Era series where we save together slowly but surely. Let's talk about how to save money kapag ikaw ay isang breadwinner. Yung tipong lahat ng gastusin sa bahay ninyo, ikaw ang sumasagot. And sometimes, kahit gustong-gusto mo na mag-ipon, hindi mo siya magawa dahil parang nakakahiya, dahil kailangan ng iba yung pera na yon. But hear this, breadwinners need savings too. If anything, mas kailangan ng mga breadwinners ang savings dahil wala silang malalapitan sakaling magkaroon sila ng emergency. It's not being selfish, it's survival. Tip number 1 is to prioritize yourself. One mindset shift that helped me improve my finances is to help from overflow, not from empty. Mahirap tumulong sa ibang tao kapag said ka na. So kahit maliit na amount lang, 100 pesos, 200 pesos per month, itabi mo siya. Ang importante na bibuild mo yung habit at nakakapag-build ka ng something for your future, protecting you from any emergencies that might happen along the way. So pag-prioritize mo din sa sarili mo, hindi ka na burn out helping everyone else. Number 2 is to set boundaries with compassion. You can still be generous and loving while being honest about your limits. For example, next month, ang simulan mo is to prioritize. Kung ano lang talaga yung importanteng gastusan mo, yun lang muna yung ipaprioritize natin. For example, sabihin mo sa kanila na for this month, ang kaya ko lang i-cover is yung monthly expenses natin dito sa bahay. Yung mga bills, groceries, basic expenses, pero hindi ko na kayang i-cover yung panghanda sa graduation ni Bunso. Or hindi ko na kayang ipaghanda yung 18th birthday ni sister. It's okay to say no sometimes, lalo na kung kapalit naman nun ay peace of mind mo. Number 3 is to create a bare minimum ipon goal. Huwag muna masyadong mataas yung goal natin sa pag-iipon, lalo na kapag marami talaga tayong responsibility sa buhay. So instead of aiming 100,000 right away this 2026, why not say 10,000 pesos lang muna para lang meron kang emergency fund? That way, meron kang safety net in case of emergency, in case mawalan ka ng trabaho, wag naman sana, or magkaroon ka ng sakit. Being a breadwinner is hard. Madami na ako naging conversations na ganito nung nasa abroad ako, and mahirap talaga i-change yung mindset ng mga breadwinners kasi ang priority talaga nila is to see na okay yung family nila. And andun na tayo, syempre gusto natin silang alagaan, di ba? Pero based on what we've discussed today, hindi siya about being selfish. It's also about protecting yourself in case of emergency. So habang inaalagaan mo yung pamilya mo, habang dinadala mo yung responsibilities mo sa kanila, don't forget to take care of yourself then. At wag natin paabutin to the point na kakabigay natin, wala lang natira sa atin or nasaid na tayo. Ayaw natin yung ganung pakiramdam, lalo na sa mga OFW friends natin dyan. If you want more soft saving era tips, I have a whole playlist in my channel. That's it for today. Ciao!